All right, everybody, welcome back to Building with Boofus. So today is not build day. Today is destruction day. We are destroying. Here's a camp. This is one of the camps, last remaining old camps that my parents have. And you can see by the looks of that dumpster right there, we are going to take this entire camp right here and we're going to put it in here. It's empty now, but it won't be soon. So, yeah, this is going to be a good project, good destruction project, but then we got to build, but got to start somewhere. So, here we go. All right, so we're going to get started here, but one more thing I thought of to show you guys is take a look underneath here. That's what the underside of this camp looks like. The wall's caving in over there. There's just rocks and it just looks horrendous. Stuff falling off the floor, big huge rocks, junk, old stuff. So yeah, there's a lot of junk underneath that camp. So that's what it looks like right now. And let's see what it looks like in the next day or so. I guarantee you it's going to look totally different. All right, here we are. That's what we got so far. That's what, over 3/4 of that is been tore down. And we have got our roll-off that we ordered right full. There's not much left in the corners, but yeah, so there's day one of the destruction. Just that little section's left. This is the back where the bathroom was in there. So yeah, I think that was pretty awesome. So stay tuned, and we'll try day two, tearing this baby down, see how it goes. And yeah, then we got to start building again. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and come back and see us tear down the rest of it. Thanks, guys.